So, a full house here for today's game. Well, let's see how the teams line up today. This then, how the home team is lining up. The away side has gone for this lineup. Referee gets his match underway. And he's back in possession. Referee tried to play the... Aguero. Striker's ball. What a well-timed tackle. It's with the striker. Oh, great tackle. He's knocked it long. Remy. Oh, and that's given away. It's with the striker. Oh, great tackle. And he's back in possession. That's great determination. Back to the keeper. Styles. Zen, this game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up? So, neck and neck at half-time. Next 45 minutes should prove decisive here. Smith. He's cut it back inside. A few olays from the crowd here. They're appealing, but he's onside and well out. Well intercepted. Oh, great tackle. Striker's ball. Shoots! Oh, fantastic. You won't see many goals better than that. It's the first goal of the day and a thoroughly deserved lead. The defenders back on the ball. Remy. And that's out for a goal kick. Referee very much in control of this. And the manager's making a change here. Aguero. The referee blows his whistle then, and it's full time. A real captain's performance today, exactly what the manager wanted.